Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I know it's been a while I've been on this YouTube channel because I've been quite busy and a lot of works and everything, but yeah, I'm back. For today I'm bringing something really new today, guys. I'm basically doing my first unboxing video on this channel, and I can't wait to just tell you guys what I'm unboxing. Oh sorry, well, I have it right here already. Okay, good, nice. So I'm unboxing the Nikon Z7ii lens, guys. Like, this is the long-awaited and long-anticipated lens. Like, guys, I'm not Nikon shooter. Like, I don't shoot Nikon, I don't shoot any of this, but as soon as I saw the review about this stuff, I had to just cop a Z camera, a Nikon Z camera. I decided to get this and all of that. Like, I can't wait to just do the unboxing, but this won't be the only unboxing I'll be doing. And this lens right now is still on pre-order, but trust me, I have my ways. I got this already. So let's just do the unboxing instead of just chat. I know you guys are really anticipating for me to just get this done, and I'm going to give you guys a review after unboxing this camera, and let's jump into the build. So yes, it's time to open this box. Okay, I shouldn't have used my mouse to do that, but anyways. Okay guys, opening the box. First thing first, we have this very soft looking sweet. This is very pricey, so I don't expect them to put anything cheap in this. Very velvety or something. What's this? Yeah, so I guess this is the lens bag. I was actually thinking it was a lens cleaner, but well, it's a lens bag branded Nikon. Let's keep this aside. Opening the box. Woo! Woo! Guys, you're ready for this. When you're just trying to get a Christmas gift, and the Christmas stuff they put on that Christmas tree. Well, from where I'm from, they don't do that though. It's only when I go to the UK and all of that I started seeing them putting presents on that Christmas tree. But I can't wait, guys. This is smell of new lens. Everything I can smell right now is money. So yo guys, this is really beautiful. Do you know the best thing about this, guys? This is not a regular, please. This is not a regular lens, guys. So it's looking very pretty and very you can use this as a dumbbell. Okay, so unboxing, we have more of this, we have manual. Nobody reads manual these days, but yeah, if you're interested in reading manual, I can't wait to slap this on a Nikon Z camera because it's majorly for that lens, but for the camera, sorry. But yeah, another manual, and that's it, guys, for the unboxing of this. So jumping right into the lens, I need to clear this table before everywhere looks really messy. So guys, table cleared. The beautiful lens right here. You can have the lens without having a camera to use it with, yeah? So in 3, 2, 1, ta-da! We're going Nikon Z7 right here. Nikon Z7, Do people call it Nikon or they call it Nikon? I have no idea, but I call it Nikon. It could be Nikon, it could be Nikon, well, you get the idea, that's the idea. So I got a Nikon Z7 right here. And about the lens, just a quick review about the lens here. This lens is a beautiful lens. It's quite very heavy. I know if you're using it, you definitely know you invested a whole lot to get this. It is not plasticky, it's very metallic and weather sealed. Yeah, of course. And the beautiful thing about this lens again is you have quite a whole lot of function buttons on this lens. Like, you could literally just do custom settings on your lens. Guys, can you imagine that? Like, some years ago, I wouldn't expect doing settings for my camera on my lens. And the funny thing about this lens again is the display which you see your f-stop and all of that is OLED. It's electronic, guys. It's electronic. You can just see everything on your lens. Like, How beautiful would that be? I'm going to show you guys how that's going to work real quick. And also, yeah, you could also adjust your ISO, your shutter speed, your aperture right here with a different ring, guys. They just made another different ring for you guys to do that. The other thing about this lens is just beautiful. I can't wait to test this out in like real life, test it on a model, which I'm going to do right here on this channel. Let's just snap this on. Come on. Woo. This is beauty, guys. Into the collection. This is beautiful. A Z7 and a Nikon 70-200. We're going to do a real life review, a real life shoot, a model using this lens right now. So guys, if you enjoyed this unboxing video, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to smash that like button if you like the video. But why would you like the video? Because you just have to like the video. So yeah, it's my first unboxing video, but I know I could be attacking some ways. But yeah, and guys, don't forget to turn on the notification icon to get notified anytime I post a new video. And cheers guys.